Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to recover Google Authenticator account or restore your Google Authenticator codes. Right? If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you may want to recover your Google Authenticator account as your Google account is compromised or you lost it. Or, in other words, you don't remember your credentials. Well, in this video, we're not going to talk about it. Okay, make sure that you recover your account first so that you can continue with the process of recovering or restoring your Google Authenticator codes. Okay, so first up, if you're currently using another phone, for example, this one is a new phone, just got to download the Google Authenticator and open it up. And then what you got to do is just basically log in with the same Google account. Okay, just log in as your codes are likely backed up to your Google account. Okay, just go log in and your codes will automatically restore. Now, the other option may be you still have the old phone and this one right here is the new phone. So this one right here, for example, is the old phone, and right here, the invisible phone is the new phone. Okay, so open up Authenticator from the old phone. And at the top left, you have the three horizontal lines right here. You won't be able to see it. Three horizontal lines, tap on it, and you will have the option transfer codes. So just tap on transfer codes and then go ahead and tap on or select the option export codes. Okay, tap on export, select all the accounts and just hit on next. And then you will have a QR code. So what you're going to do basically on the other phone is that you're going to want to go ahead over to the same set of steps. And then instead of export, you'll select import. Okay, again, from new phone, open up Authenticator. Now go to the top left, tap on three horizontal lines, tap on transfer codes, and then just select import codes. Now, what if your old phone is lost, but you still have access to your Google account? So what you're going to do is just open up Google Chrome or any browser. Now go ahead over to myaccount.google.com. And then once you're in here, go ahead and tap on security and sign in. Now go ahead and scroll down and find Authenticator app right here. And then just basically tap on change Authenticator app. Okay, tap on it and scan the QR code with your new device. And that's basically it. That is how you recover your Google Authenticator account and restore Google Authenticator codes. Well, I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.